Hi everybody, it's Megan. As always, I hope everybody is doing wonderful. Today should be a pretty fun video. I am going to be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing haul. For anybody that did catch my last video, I did mention that I had just gotten back from a trip to Hawaii where I did celebrate my anniversary. Thank you so very much for all the kind, happy anniversary wishes that did come in. Those meant so very much to my heart. Please know they're greatly appreciated. I'm just gonna jump right into this because I'm pretty excited. The first item is something that has been on my wish list since the beginning of my Louis Vuitton collection. It does come in a rather big dust bag. Open it up to reveal a classic piece, very, very classic, very, very timeless. It is the Louis Vuitton Keepall 50 Bandouliere in the Monogram canvas. I am ecstatic to own this now. If you have a Louis Vuitton collection, this could be a staple to that collection. This bag has proven to stand the test of time, and I just love the fact that it's so timeless and it's not going out. As a lot of you guys might be able to see, I did get my initial hot stamped with 2 hearts around my initial, and I think it's so pretty. Also, I wanted to go into the interior of this bag. Well, the first thing is it does feature a huge pocket right here, a zipped pocket. I'm sure a lot of you guys do own Keepalls and Speedies where the key lock is tarnishing. I've noticed in the last few purchases that I've made, even with more classic pieces, that the key lock is the shiny kind. I'm hoping this is a trendsetter. This should be a true shiny gold color. So I was quite impressed to see that this classic piece, this Keepall, had the shiny type of key lock. So yay about that. Sometimes it can truly be the little things that make a big difference, right? So yes, I'm very happy to have this in my collection, and I will get it stuffed up right away. So thrilled to be able to travel with this piece now. So yay, very happy. This item goes along with the 2 items that I unboxed in my last video. And if you guys did see that video, I unboxed the giant Monogram Speedy as well as the Boat Chapeau Souffle, I'm trying to pronounce that right, in the reverse giant monogram canvas. It is the Louis Vuitton giant monogram Zippy coin purse wallet. Like the other pieces in the giant monogram collection, those pieces all have a black interior. This one does as well. Very pretty. And I do believe that most of the collection from the giant monogram was made in France, although that Boat Chapeau Souffle was made in Italy. Do believe the majority was in France. This one was made in France as well. And hopefully I can get the camera to pick that up. Yes. And also I must say that the subtlety and the softness to this piece is absolutely outstanding. This one is almost a squishy soft. The leather right here is a pre-aged leather, just like the other items that do come in the giant monogram collection. I like the notion of the pre-aged leather. I think it's beautiful. So very happy to have this in my collection. And final thing that I did pick up is an accessory. I do like to dress up my bags from time to time. I thought this looked a bit big at first. It is the Louis Vuitton Circle Bag Charm. I think it's so pretty and I think it's so gorgeous, but my first impression was that is very large. So what I did was I tried it on a bag, and at the time I had my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 Bandouliere and the Demi Ben. So that is why I'm going to show you this bag, because this is what helped me make the decision to get this charm. I think it looks very pretty, guys. I hope you concur. This is a size 30, and because a 30 isn't necessarily a small bag, it's not a big bag either. I also like the fact that it's double-sided. So beautiful piece. I definitely think my bag likes it too. It feels a little extra special. So now I'm going to venture off just a bit from luxury and talk about something that's insightfully inspirational. And last week I had touched on the topic of having materialistic things and not being a materialistic person. Life is very short and we're here for a limited amount of time. I do believe that God wants us to enjoy life to the fullest, as long as we keep a humble spirit and understand that we're keeping God number one in our life, understanding that He is with us every single moment of every single day and that He is the one that's guiding our steps. That's really going to make or break how you view luxury. So having a humble heart, keeping God first place, knowing He is right behind us every step of every way that we go in this life is very important. It's definitely okay to own nice luxury items and have a humble heart. Most importantly, with that, a heart that's turned towards God. That's a beautiful thing, and I think you will notice that when you do that in your life, you follow His rules, acknowledge Him with what you do, you're giving gratitude for the things that He's given to you, your life is going to be better. That is what I have to say about that, you guys. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions about keeping a humble heart with having luxury goods, please do leave them in the comment section below. Also, the Louis Vuitton Monogram Keepall 50 Bandouliere, the Louis Vuitton Giant Monogram Zippy Coin Purse Wallet, and the Louis Vuitton Circle Bag Charm. Please leave in the comment section below. I will end in closing, as I typically do, with saying wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you are maintaining your peace of mind, not allowing the negative intrusive thoughts in. When they try, I ask that you go to God and you ask for His light to fill your spirits. Let's try to focus on all of the blessings that we have in our life, and we start thinking about it. The list just goes on and on and on, and just breathing right now, that's a gift. That's a gift money can never buy. That's probably the most important gift that you'll ever receive in your life. No, it is. It's the most important and you're alive. That's the biggest gift you'll ever get. So that's it, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. I do look forward to my next video. Until my next, I will see you guys soon. Bye.